Good morning, students. Welcome back to another session of GK. Students, today we will start next lesson, environment queries. Now let us start question answer session. Environment is term used to denote our natural surroundings. People, animals and plants are dependent on each other. Given below are clues about some environment terms. Write down the appropriate words for them. Question 1. Waste from animals, human beings and plants that can be broken by microorganisms into simpler material that go back to nature is known as biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste includes any organic matter in waste which can be broken down into carbon dioxide, water, methane, or simple organic molecules by microorganisms and other living things by composting, aerobic digestion, anaerobic digestion, or similar process. Next question. Relationship of living beings with each other and the environment is known as ecology. Ecology is the study of how organisms interact with one another and with their physical environment. The distribution and abundance of organisms on Earth is shaped by both biotic living organisms related and abiotic non-living or physical factors. Next question. A very small organisms that are not visible to the human eye and can only seen with the help of microscope or magnifying lens is known as microbes. Microorganisms or microbes are microscopic organisms that exist as unicellular, multicellular or cell clusters. Microorganisms are widespread in nature and are beneficial to life, but some cause serious harm. They can be divided into 6 major types: bacteria, archaea, fungi, protozoa, algae, and viruses. Next question. Selected price of the land for receiving solid waste is known as landfill. A landfill site, also known as a tip, dump, rubbish dump, garbage dump, or dumping ground. It is a site for the disposal of waste materials. Landfill is the oldest and most common form of waste disposal. Although the systematic burial of the waste with the daily intermediate and final covers only began in 1940s. Next question. Diseases producing microorganisms is known as pathogens. In biology, a pathogen in the oldest and broadest sense, it is anything that can produce disease. A pathogen may also be referred to as an infectious agent or simply a germ. Pathogenic organisms are of 5 main types: viruses, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and worms. Next question. Complex materials which cannot be broken down by microorganisms is known as non-biodegradable. A non-biodegradable material can be defined as a kind of substance which cannot be broken down by natural organisms and acts as a source of pollution. Unlike biodegradable waste, Non-biodegradable cannot be easily handled. Next question. Person who manually pick useful material from waste to earn money, known as rat pickers. The rat pickers primarily collect easily recyclable materials such as glass, metal, and plastic, which can be sold to scrap dealers, who then processes the waste and sell it on, either to be recycled or to be used directly in industry. Next question. Process of burning material in control condition is known as incineration. Incineration is a waste treatment process that involves the combustion of organic substances contained in waste materials. Incineration and other high temperature waste treatment systems are described as thermal treatment. Incineration of waste materials converts the waste into ash, flue gas, and heat. Next question. Composting by waste by worm. Composting of waste by worms is known as vermicomposting. Worms eat food scraps which become compost as they pass through the worm's body. Compost exits the worm through its tail end. This compost can then be used to grow plants. To understand why vermicompost is good for plants, remember that the worms are eating nutrient rich food and vegetable scraps and turning them into nutrient rich compost. Fun fact. A glass bottle made in our time will take more than 4000 years to decompose. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, good day.